My name is Dan Snyder, and my colors are green over red. I want to extend my sincerest congratulations to Lewis and the rest of the Equilibria team on their 20-year anniversary milestone. Congratulations. Well deserved. I want to take you back to my first memory very briefly of utilizing Equilibria and learning about e-colors, which was back in 2008, 2009, when I first started my career in the offshore oil and gas industry. And I first learned about it through a Clear Leader workshop where we spent a week to 2 weeks onshore, really teaming, collaborating, and learning about our own personalities and the personalities of the people that we work with and the good and bad that comes with that, right? The strengths, the weaknesses, the limiters, and what it looks like to lead, knowing those things and how to lead a safe operation. So Lewis, thank you so much for that. And we've come on a long journey since then, the past 15, 16 years, to really just culminating with the intentional leadership and teaming program. And we've learned a lot through that these past several years. We've learned how to integrate human and organizational performance into that and really bring it full circle, I would say. So Lewis and the rest of the Equilibria team, thank you for all you've done, not just for me, but for those that I've worked with and for all that you'll continue to do. Congratulations again.